like the worst Friday. I'm going canoeing, which means that okay, my allergies are going crazy. They're not going too crazy though. Like I'm coughing only a bit. My allergies are going a bit crazy. So anyway, so here's my outfit of the day. I think I thrifted these because I think these are thrifted because yeah. I'm not wearing a very cute outfit to go boating. Because I'm going canoeing. So yeah. I want to wear little earrings, but I'm not sure if they'll get lost or not. So I'll just not wear accessories today. I'm just gonna wear a tight. I don't like wearing ponytails though, and then they get super wet. It is super annoying to me. So I'm not sure. I'll figure out what my hairstyle is for the day, but yeah. Okay, so I tried to figure out a hoodie for the day, which my outfit does not look good. Like it has the pockets and stuff, but it's not like the best because like they are cut here, which I think are actually kind of cute, but I'd rather wear a baggy shirt like that because it looks cuter with a baggy shirt, but yeah. It's not going to be cute when I go boating because I'm going to be wet all over the place. But I did get a bag of extra clothes and stuff just so I could change and like feel more comfortable. I think depending on whatever, I think I might need a towel. I don't know if they said we needed a towel. Like, we're going canoeing. Like, we're not going boating, but like, I don't know. I don't know why I keep saying that, but we are going canoeing today, which is like the worst Friday, but at least it's not a normal Friday where I have to stay at school all day. But I have to go back for like my last 2 mods, which makes me really sad. I love putting my hair down, but I'm sure like putting my hair up, I don't know what to do actually. I don't know. I feel inspired to actually look at content to see like the best hairstyles for canoeing. So, but yeah, I'm just going to do best hairstyles for canoeing, even though that's random. I don't know what to do with my hair because I think if I have to do like a tight hairstyle just to keep it, I might wear a claw clip though because like it keeps the ponytail in. It doesn't come out with too much pressure. I might wear a messy bun though. I don't know I don't know what's the best hairstyle to wear for canoeing, but yeah. I could wear my hair down, but like I'm not sure if I'll be able to see correctly, so yeah. So the hair stuff I'm using is the As I Am Restoring Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water, which is for her favorite part, which I think I'm in between. I don't know what my actual hair type is, but I feel like it's in between because it is curly. It's not like an afro. it's not an afro like poofy and that stuff, but it's like curly. It's not too curly because like my mom had like a bit of curly hair. My dad has curly hair, so I have curly hair and I love it. When I don't take care of it, I get really mad at it, but now it's because I don't take care of it, right? Like, just taking care of your natural hair will make you feel like you can embrace it more. So, I don't know if it'll work for everyone, but that's what I do. I just try to take care of my natural hair and make sure it doesn't get ruined. But I do want to start growing it to like longer, because how short my hair actually is, it's like up to here. Wait, no, up to here. And I want it to be down like here. So yeah. I want my hair to be longer, but it depends on my feelings about it, because sometimes I don't really feel like straightening my hair. But this is like not every single day. Like, to be honest, if you straighten your hair every single day, you have a problem. If you have natural hair, why don't you just embrace it? Because there's going to be a day that you won't have it after you straighten your hair a lot. You know what I mean? Like, it's going to be damaged. Like, mine was damaged, but it doesn't look very good. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to put on lip balm, just lip balm. But after I do everything else, I want to do the Forest by Bills lip balm. So yeah, we only have like about 5 mods today. Like, we only have 5 mods. Like, I think 6th grade is actually going boating, but like they're gonna be like in separate places, so like they're boating in separate places, which I'm really excited to be boating, because I passed the test. I'm not sure how good I really did on the boating. I'm not sure how I did on the boating process, but we'll have to see today. Canoeing. I'm going canoeing though. So, yeah, but I had a boating test and I had like a canoeing lesson. So, yeah. That's how we have the ability to go canoeing out on the park near our school. But it's exciting. Okay, better. Because I just want to wear a hoodie, but this is like... I forgot this is a hoodie. I thought it was going to be like a... But it's okay. We can wear this hoodie because everything's going to be washed. So if anything feels unsanitary, I should know it's going to be washed. I'm just putting my towel back. That's creepy. So as you see, my lava lamp is actually like not very active. But get off. No. But as you can see, it's like not very active right now. And it literally scared me when I went in. That scared me too, but it's okay. I wanna have my LED lights on. It's so bright. There we go. Hopefully that's not too bright. So I have finished my skincare, hair care. Okay. I wanna put this on my scalp though. Because I don't wanna. I think I pressed the wrong thing. That scared me, but yeah, we're in low right now. So the fan's not going crazy, but it is moving. I don't put it on high unless I'm like 300 degrees. I put it on medium when I'm like when it's a lot, because it's like, it's a lot of pressure, but like, yeah. What I want to do before this is like actually finish making my bed, because my bed doesn't look bad. It doesn't look like organized. Like, it doesn't look organized. Like, the bed looks a bit weird, so I'm trying to figure out. So this is the blanket that it goes with. It's not like, it doesn't go with the bedding, but it's really cute, and I love putting it on there. I am really nervous to actually go boating because, yeah. And also I have a 63 milligrams of sugar, what is it? A soda. It's the Pepsi, but it's like the vanilla Jack Coke version. I wanted to try that because I like Pepsi, and I like vanilla things, but yeah, my stomach is hurting, so I'm just gonna go to the bathroom. Yeah, and I might just wash my face too. Hi guys, so you could hear a little noise. It's just because I'm listening to a YouTuber, so yeah. So I am washing my face, which, okay, it looks cringe, but it's also not very easy to, like, yeah, because, I took a bit, now it's like 6:20, and I think it was like 6:15 when I went out, and I feel a bit better though, so I'm just gonna cleanse my face like 2 times, because I don't know why I'm doing this right now, because, yeah, I still have Fiji water. I didn't finish it, but I will finish it later. So, yeah, this is like my whole entire body moisturizer. My face hurts. Like, the parts that are, like, caked and stuff, like, actually hurts. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue on washing my face one more time, and then I will come back. Hi. So I'm putting on moisturizer, even though I want to ice on my face, but I don't feel like doing it. I don't think I should really be doing skincare today. I normally just cleanse my face, moisturize it, or like, yeah. And I have an exfoliator, but I only use that like, I only use it a couple times. I only use it like 2 to 3 times a week. So, and also, I think I used it 2 times. So, if I ever feel like using it again, I'll just use it somewhere on the weekends. Because I don't feel like exfoliating my face today either. Because tomorrow is the weekend. I want to do another weekend of my life because I'm actually so excited to vlog. But also I can't. It's embarrassing to bring a computer to vlog. So that's why I vlog at home or vlog at places like that. Yeah, if I ever vlog in other places, it's either my grandparents' house or like other houses. Or it might be a road trip because, or like a little trip. If it's a long one, it might be a trip to Myrtle because I am really, honestly, Myrtle's like 8 hours. For like me, it takes 8 hours to get to Myrtle. Wait, I'm just talking about Myrtle because Myrtle took really long every single time I went there. Like, I tried to go there. I was excited because Myrtle is like the best places to go. Like, they have nice stuff. Like, since it's like a beach, they have a lot of like attractions. Like, you can go to a amusement park because, oh my goodness, those are so much fun. Yeah. Now I feel like going on a slingshot. I'm thinking of a slingshot, but it really gives me anxiety a bit because I am really anxious. Oh my goodness. I think I'm just anxious about today too because I have to go boating today. Yeah, but I finished getting ready for the day. I'm gonna use this like later in the day. So yeah. I don't know what to do actually. So I'm gonna see what's going on my phone, what's going on downstairs, because I do want to put some extra stuff in my little bag because I'm not sure if you're allowed to bring like a little drawstring bag, which I decided to bring, which I don't think is a really smart idea, but I'm not the smartest up there. There are smarter people than me, even though I am a smart person in school. Like, a lot of people think I'm smart, but I'm not that smart that like I get every question right. Well, yeah. So so it is 6 o'clock. So it's already like it's 6:30, 6:29, 6:30, 6:30. Yeah. So I'm gonna see what's going on my phone. See if anyone texted me on Snapchat or something. I wanna see. This is my room when I first moved in. The bed has the same exact bedding, but I kind of like since I got these 2 like decoration pillows, my room doesn't look better. Which I actually am planning on getting sorry, my nose is like going crazy, but I do plan on hopefully we can go shopping for like pillows and the same exact like stuff as that, and like I think my room will look more normal. I got inspired by a lot of people painting my room white, and since the color white is like really basic, and it actually looks really cute, I was happy. And then I got a collage kit, and then I got LED lights later. I am so obsessed. And guys, if you're weirded out that you see a lava lamp, I actually got the lava lamp since I turned 10, I think. And I always wanted one. And the lava lamp is still a sleigh. Like, it's really cute. But right now, it is not looking cute because, yeah. It's not looking cute because, I don't know. But I'm really excited to be spending more time in this room, actually, like, having fun in this house for the summer. Because this is, like, the summer coming up is, like, my first summer in this house because we just moved in, January. So, like, about 4 months ago. And this is my room now. It is so cute. What I want to do is, like, the bedding. Like, I want the pillow to be the exact same pillow as that. So, I want that. I want this pillow, like, so I want a pillow that's the same size as, like, the one inside of that. And also, I want a silk pillowcase that is silver because it looks good like this. And also, I don't want it to be, like, mix match. Like, it just kind of weird to me. But, like, the whole entire bed is matching vibes right now. I'm not really gonna wear. I'm gonna wear socks, obviously. But I'm really nervous for today. I'm hoping the best for my electronics because, some of my phone and my AirPods, I have to leave at school. Which I don't want to bring them, but I feel like listening to music in the morning, but, oh, you know what, I could just ask, her if I can, like, just charge it at home, because I really, I want to bring my phone, but also the worst part is that I don't get to bring it to the trip, and I don't know what's gonna happen to, like, I don't know what's gonna happen to the school. I don't know if, like, you don't know what's gonna happen, so. And this watch is also waterproof, and it has, like, I think it gets notifications too. Yeah, it is 6:34. I'm really anxious. I hope nothing happens to school, but I'm not bringing my. I listen to music, but you know what? I should bring my phone though, because I'm gonna be there for. I'm not gonna be. Oh, hope you didn't see that. My apologies. I wanted to put my feet, like, underneath. Like, I just wanted to crisscross because I move a lot. So I'm sorry if you didn't like that. But yeah. Should I? I think I should, because hopefully. Honestly, I think I wouldn't really. I'm just saying, if something happened and, like, my phone was broken and, like, it was fully done, I will be so upset. But I don't think it's that big of a deal because it was free. But I still am really grateful for the phone. AirPods, I'll be so angry. Like, that's why I want to take my stuff to school You know what? I should take myself to pinch out. How would I do that? We're gonna have to see. But yeah, I don't know how to like take my phone and stuff. I don't know where we're gonna store our stuff. Hopefully they don't make sure that there's no phones, because if they do, I will be done. Cause I feel like bringing my phone to Pinch It. Well, to the park. Yeah. And of course, that the park I said, like, the park that I said is like, it's just it has a playground, it does have a food place, but it's also like, it's mainly a lake. So like, there's mainly a lake that you could swim in or like canoe in, which I'm really scared. I hope I get my boating license. Like, so yeah, I hope I get my boating license early. If I don't, I don't know. But if I do, and I have my own canoe or boat, I would obviously go with an adult, because I am young as heck. But yeah, and go there to like clear my mind a bit. My LED lights are like not matching. Like, seriously, if you see these LED lights are bright, so it's like, as you can see, it's like that one. I don't know. Like, one of them isn't matching. I think it's the one that's lighter, because yeah, it just doesn't match, and it's really annoying. But it's only one, so it's not that bad. Okay, so I'm gonna have a little discussion about. I'm just gonna put this up so you don't see anything. They just slow to creep up. It's annoying, but I'm really nervous. Like, I feel like bringing my own pinch up, but I'm not sure if they're gonna check everything. I'm not sure if we're gonna put everything in the water. Like, I don't trust it. So, what I want to do is not bring my phone, but I might bring my watch, which is not very good though. It depends. I don't know, because okay, so it is currently 6:48 a.m. as you can see here. I am just really nervous to go boating. I feel like listening to music, which I think will help me focus a bit. So yeah, and I'm sure that I'm not going to be using my phone a lot, because I'm going to pinch it. You know what? I should bring my phone to school, but I think, you know what? Nothing ever happens in my school. Nothing. Like, nothing ever happens. So, crisscross that nothing happens. Because if one of these are ruined, I will be angry. Because these are, like, the best things ever. Like, yeah. This is only water resistant. I'm not sure about AirPods. Are they I'm just gonna look it up. Okay, that was, I feel like I'm making a lot of noise, so if I'm too loud, you can scroll out, because when I have my AirPods in, I cannot hear myself. My mouth hurts because I keep talking and like all that. I love having AirPods though. It's like, oh, so the AirPods Pro, I think, are more money because they're water resistant. Mine are not. Nothing. But I'm just gonna listen to music because I feel like it. Which I'm on Spotify. Spotify is not sponsoring this video, but like nothing's sponsoring this video because I don't sponsor. But there was, before like the 16th of May, there was like a nice like premium feature that like, yeah, so like you could have it for free for 3 months. So I'm not really moving. This one I'm listening to right now, it's really good though. Okay, so I'm gonna go downstairs to go pack more stuff. I think I put my stuff here anyway. See you in a sec. Also, don't feel really sick, but I'm wearing socks. Not because just because I want to be ready. I want to be close to being ready. So Putting on socks. So now I have socks on. You guys can't really see a lot, so yeah. So 6:47 on this clock, but it's 6:46 on everything else. I want to change my wallpaper. I always get notifications. Quote, this was not a bad vlog. It was pretty fun to film and kind of like talk, because since I am kind of an overthinker, when I talk about things that I say, like when I speak from my mind, it makes me feel so much better. I don't always speak from my mind, because sometimes it's not really that kind, or it's not really appropriate, so I don't say it. I just let it go in my mind, because it just only goes in like temporarily, right? My full outfit is not this outfit. This is just my boating outfit. But I'm wearing this to go boating because I'm not gonna wear a cute outfit. I'm cramping. My stomach's cramping because I have a lot of anxiety. Like, I'm just really anxious. I'm goal 2, so I'm really excited. Hopefully I hope I survive school today. And the trip. I just want to ask if I could bring my phone. I don't think it's really good that I didn't bring a plastic bag. I brought a drawstring bag. That's what I said. I may have said I drunk a okay. That would sound weird. Okay. Anyway, I'm bringing a drawstring bag, no matter what others say. Yes, last night was really fun. I'm really nervous for today. Because I'm not sure if I'm allowed to bring my watch, even though it is waterproof. And every time I've had it in water, it didn't, like, get ruined. I think this will be it for this video, because I am about to go in like 4 to 5 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm just gonna wait. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.